The best platforms to use to promote your AI products and services. When it comes to promoting AI services, selecting the right platforms can make a significant difference in reaching your target audience effectively. In this video, we will explore some of the best platforms to promote AI services, including popular options like Etsy and Fiverr. By understanding the unique advantages and features of these platforms, you can strategically leverage them to expand your reach, increase brand visibility, and drive growth in the competitive landscape of AI services. Etsy unleashing creative AI using Etsy. Etsy is a renowned online marketplace that primarily focuses on handmade, unique, and creative products. Leveraging the artistic potential of AI, Etsy can be an excellent platform for promoting AI art, custom designs, and creative content. If your AI services involve generating artwork, digital designs, or personalized creative assets, Etsy provides a dedicated community of art enthusiasts and buyers who appreciate unique and innovative creations. Fiverr. Showcase your AI expertise on the Fiverr freelancing gig platform. Fiverr is a popular freelance marketplace that connects businesses and individuals seeking professional services with talented freelancers. It offers a broad range of categories, including graphic design, content writing, video production, and web development. Utilize Fiverr to showcase your expertise in AI-related services, such as chatbot setup, content creation, or video editing. Create a compelling profile highlighting your AI capabilities and provide clear descriptions of the services you offer. It is a good idea to provide some samples of your work as well so that potential customers can see the quality. Fiverr receives over 60 million visitors a month, but there are a lot of gigs available, so you need to do what it takes to stand out from the crowd. Get some 5-star customer reviews by offering your gigs for free to start with. Ask your friends and family to order your gig so that you can get some good reviews, as this will help to sell your gig. LinkedIn. Establish your professional expertise and authority on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a leading professional networking platform with a vast user base of industry professionals, entrepreneurs, and decision makers. It offers an ideal environment to establish your authority and credibility in the service field that you are in using AI. Create a compelling LinkedIn profile, optimize it with relevant keywords, and share insightful AI-related content through regular posts and articles. Engage with relevant communities, join industry groups, and connect with potential clients or collaborators to expand your professional network. Clients on LinkedIn are more likely to pay high prices for your services than they are on any other platform. YouTube. Demonstrate your AI products and services in action with high-quality videos. As the world's largest video sharing platform, YouTube offers a powerful medium to showcase the capabilities of your AI services. Create informative and engaging videos that demonstrate your products and services in action. For example, you can provide tutorials on using your chatbot setup service, showcase AI-generated art, or offer insights into the content creation process. Optimize your videos with relevant keywords and tags, and engage with the YouTube community to increase visibility and attract potential clients. We recommend that you make short videos as well, less than 60 seconds, and upload these as YouTube Shorts. You can also upload these short videos to TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels for more traffic. Medium. Sharing your insights on Medium. Medium.com is a popular platform for sharing long-form articles and thought leadership content. Leverage this platform to share insights, trends, and industry expertise related to AI services. Write informative and engaging articles that address common challenges, provide solutions, or discuss the potential impact of AI in various domains. Medium's built-in distribution features and a user-friendly interface allow you to reach a wide audience of readers interested in AI, establishing your credibility and attracting potential clients. Social media platforms. Reach your target audience using the right social media platforms. Social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram play a crucial role in promoting AI services. Identify the platforms that align with your target audience and tailor your content accordingly. Share industry news, success stories, informative posts, and engaging visuals to captivate and educate your audience. Utilize paid advertising options provided by these platforms to expand your reach and target specific demographics interested in AI services. There is no need for you to use all social media platforms to get the word out about your AI products and services. This is a mistake that a lot of entrepreneurs make, and they find that they have to spend too much time updating each platform. Find out which social platforms your target audience uses and create a profile on these. If your target market is primarily B2B, then you must be on LinkedIn. For targeting the younger generation, use TikTok and Instagram. Make sure that you provide value with the content that you publish on social platforms and always look to engage your audience. Industry-specific forums and communities. Engaging with industry-specific forums, communities, and online groups allows you to connect directly with individuals interested in the AI products and services that you provide. Identify relevant forums and communities where professionals, hobbyists, or businesses discuss these products and services. You can find relevant groups on social platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn. Join these groups and participate actively, share valuable insights, and provide helpful advice. By establishing yourself as a knowledgeable and helpful member, you can generate interest, gain exposure, and attract potential clients.